Today we shall study about some properties of shape factor. Shape factor, as already we had defined earlier, is a function of only purely geometrical parameters. And when two bodies are radiating heat with each other, reciprocating relation holds good for the two bodies. Then we have A1 F12 equal to A2 F21. Then shape factor of a convex surface with respect to another convex surface or a flat surface is always 1. Then a shape factor of a convex surface with respect to itself is a convex surface or a flat surface with respect to itself is 0. Then concave surface. A concave surface has a shape factor with respect to itself. A concave surface has a shape factor with respect to itself because radiation energy coming out from one part of the any part of the concave surface is intercepted by the other part of the same concave surface. And you can see an irregular cavity here. One is irregular cavity. It is enclosed at the top by a flat surface. The irregular cavity has a shape factor with respect to itself. Then concentric cylinders. For a concentric cylinder having inner surface 1 and outer surface 2, inner cylinder is enclosed continuous is concentric with the outer cylinder 2. Then the shape factor of 1 with respect to 2 is 1. F12 equal to 1 because all the radiation coming from the inner cylinder is intercepted by the outer cylinder. Whereas shape factor of outer cylinder with respect to inner cylinder is equal to F21 equal to A1 by A2. Then if n surfaces are participating in radiation, F11 plus F12 plus F13 plus F1n equal to 1, F21 plus F22 plus F23 plus F2n equal to 1. Similarly, we can write for all the surfaces engaged in radiation process. Then if a body 2 is split up into 3 parts, 3, 4, 5, then shape factor of 1 with respect to 2 equal to shape factor of 1 with respect to 3, shape factor of 1 with respect to 4, shape factor of 1 with respect to 5. F12 equal to F13 plus F14 plus F15. Now, shape factor of cavity with respect to itself. Now, we shall derive what is the shape factor of a cavity with respect to itself. An irregular cavity is shown in figure. It is enclosed by 1 is the cavity, irregular cavity. It is enclosed by another flat surface 2. A1 and A2 are the areas of irregular cavity and the flat surface respectively. As these two bodies are radiating heat with each other, then we can write F11 plus F12 equal to 1, F22 plus F21 equal to 1. And also another relation is A1 we have F22 equal to 0 because 2 is a flat surface. F22 equal to 0 as 2 is a flat surface. Then we have A1 F12 equal to A2 F21. This is the reciprocating relation between two radiating surfaces. A1 F12 equal to A2 F21. Now, from relation 1 we can write 1 F11 equal to 1 minus F12 is equal to 1 minus what is F12 from reciprocating relation. F12 is equal to A2 by A1 into F21. Then again F21 equal to 1 minus F22. F21 equal to 1 minus F22. Therefore, F11 equal to 1 minus, as F22 equal to 0, F11 will be equal to 1 minus A2 by A1. F11 shape factor of a irregular cavity with respect to itself is equal to 1 minus A2 by A1. Now we will consider some irregular cavity, some examples of irregular cavity. First we shall consider a cylindrical cavity. Cylindrical cavity. A cylindrical cavity is shown in the figure. Cylindrical cavity 1 is enclosed by another flat surface 2. So as I have told, shape factor of one irregular cavity with respect to itself is 1 minus A2 by A1. 1 minus, what is A2 here? A2 is a flat surface. It is a circular flat surface. A2 is pi by 4 d square. Then A1 equal to pi by 4 d square plus pi dh. Pi by 4 d square is the bottom surface. Pi dh is the outer surface of the cylinder. So it will become, F11 will be 1 minus d by 4h plus d equal to F11 equal to 4h by 4h plus d. Now we will consider a hemispherical bowl. Shape factor of a hemispherical bowl with respect to itself. So one is the hemispherical bowl. It is enclosed by 2. Shape factor of 1 equal to 1 minus A2 by A1. Again A2 is here same pi by 4 d square and A1 is pi d square by 2. Because it is a hemispherical bowl, it is a pi d square by 2. Then it will be 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. Shape factor of a hemispherical bowl with respect to itself is a constant number, it is 0.5. Similarly, another conical cavity. Shape factor of a conical cavity. Again F11 is equal to 1 minus A2 by A1. A2 is pi by 4 d square and A1 is the area, outer the conical area of the conical cavity is pi dl by 2. Pi dl by 2. Then where L is the slant height of the cone. Then 1 minus, it will become 1 minus d by 2l. F11 equal to 1 minus d by 2l equal to 1 minus sin alpha. So it will be again F11 equal to 1 minus d by h, which is the height of the cone, d by root h square plus d square by 4. It will become, F11 becomes 1 minus 2d by square root of 4h square plus d square. Thus shape factor of some irregular cavities like cylindrical cavity, hemispherical bowl and a conical cavity with respect to itself have been derived. Okay, we will continue in next class. Thank you.